Okay, everyone, we got a return visit from our special guest. You can hear him. He's back. Is that you, singer? Yeah? You've been gone for 6 days. He's hungry. Boy, watch your feet with this one. And here's our guest. The three are back together 6 days apart. Singer is hungry, boy. That is one hungry cat. Look at the size of that head on that boy. He is hungry. That's a big cat. I wish I had the headlight on. But yeah, he's definitely gonna eat dinner tonight. 6 days. Okay, everyone. Have a great night. Thanks for watching.